everyone. This is Kate from Xinxiang Textile. Welcome to our live room. So firstly, I want to introduce our company, Xinxiang Textile. Established in 2002, we mainly produce functional fabric and garments. Now let's talk our products one by one. Okay, so flame-resistant fabric and garment, anti-static fabric and garment, water and oil-proof fabric and garments, fluorescent fabric and garments, anti-mosquito fabric and garments. So anti-mosquito is our new function. If you put anti-mosquito garments, then the mosquito and insects will leave you far away. Okay, so some person will need multifunctional, flame resistant, and anti-static, and water oil proof. Also, they want to fluorescent. So all the four function can mix together. So can you understand? Okay, I will repeat again. Some person will need multifunctional fabric and garments. So they will worry, can I make all of this function together? Now I will tell you, flame resistant and anti-static, water oil proof, fluorescent, these four function. Okay, see it. Four function can mix together. But please note that if you add water oil proof function, then multifunctional anti-mosquito cannot add. Okay, so for flame resistant fabric, we have two types. So first is after treatment FR, and second is inherent FR. After treatment FR, it has many different compositions. So for cotton percent for cotton, or cotton mix polyester, or cotton mix nylon, all of these can make after treatment FR finishing. Inherent FR, we have Every-made fabric and monoacrylic fabric is inherent FR. Of course, inherent FR, the FR function will be better than after treatment FR. So accordingly, the price, inherent FR price will be higher. Okay, so when we talk about the flame resistant fabric, I want to tell you that, if we place order, then we need production time, a very long production time, at least 20 to 25 days. But now we have fabric stock. It is flame resistant fabric. Flame resistant fabric, white color. So we have stock. If you need flame resistant fabric, very urgent, so no need to worry, we have stock fabric, white color. Okay, so let's talk about anti-static fabric. We all know anti-static fabric. Some customers will ask the more higher requirements. So anti-static can be divided carbon fiber or metal fiber. Metal fiber is better than carbon fiber. But if you don't have a very high request for the anti-static function, carbon fiber is okay. And water oil proof, also fluorescent fabric and garments. fluorescent. So we have two fluorescent color. Three. I'm sorry. We have three fluorescent color: fluorescent yellow, fluorescent red, fluorescent orange. So these three types of three color for fluorescent. Okay, so it is our main product. And after that, I want to tell you about our certification. For fabrics, certification is very important. Certification can prove that we have very high quality. We can pass many test report and certification. Okay, so ISO 9001, ISO 9001. It is Quality Management System Certificate. Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 9001. Also, we have OTEX 100, OTEX 100, and UL. UL is American standard. So this standard is more strictly than European standard, but we can pass this. And also we have other FR test reports, EN 11611, EN 11612, EN 14116, NFPA 2112. Okay, so NFPA 2112, American standard, and EN 11611, EN 11612, EN 14116 is European standard. Also, we can pass approve. So EN 61482, ASTMF 1959. Also, we have some test report is for anti-static, EN 1149. EN 1149 is for anti-static standard. So for fluorescent fabric, we can pass EN 20471, EN 20471. And for water oil proof, we can pass AATCC. So not only this, we have many other standards. Okay, you can see many other standards. Okay, OTEX, it is our new OTEX. Many test reports. Time limit. So I cannot I cannot show more standard, but please note that if you want all of these test report or certification, just feel free to leave message to us. Just tell us, I want that test report or certification. It's okay, we can send you. Don't forget, leave message, leave your email address to us so we can send this to you. Okay, so not only this test reports, not only test report and certification, I want to show you our fabric catalog. It is our fabric catalog sample book. You see, it is not a very small piece. It is B5 size. So, it is FR. I mean, flame retardant fabric. Flame retardant. So if you want to test the FR function, you can cut it and to test the FR function, flame retardant function. It is FR. So it contains many kind of fabric. Not only woven fabric, but also knitted fabric. Yes, so woven fabric and knitted fabric, all of this fabric can make FR. FR. Okay, so knitted one and woven one and fluorescent. Okay, so this catalog, fluorescent, we have two fabric catalog. We have two fabric catalog. FR, anti-static, water oil proof, fluorescent, many kinds of fabric. It's more than 70 kinds of fabric. But for today, because you are in our live room, so we want to give special discount to you. You know, these two set catalog worth 400 US dollar. But today we want to send you as a gift. So it is free. So don't forget to leave your email address. Just leave your email address and tell us I want your fabric catalog. So if you think it is too small, don't worry. If we can send you, just tell us which type fabric you need. We can send you 1 meter or more. Just leave us message. So it will be free today. Okay, so this is our website, zgyl.en.alibaba.com, zgyl.en.alibaba.com. So you can leave us a message, leave your email address. Also, you can visit our website to find more production for product. Okay. So today our live will be 5 parts. I will tell you the 5 parts. So for first part, my workmate Sherry will tell you some FR knowledge and will do some FR tests, because you know some customers they don't know what is FR, what is flame retardant. We will show you some FR knowledge and FR test. FR means flame retardant, remember. Okay, so the second part, my workmate Esther will show you stock fabric introduction and FR test. So just now I already told you, if you need FR flame retardant fabric very urgently, don't worry, we have stock. So you can get FR fabric at once. You just pay and we will send you. We have about 9,000 stock fabric. So the third part, my workmate Anis will show you water and oil fabric knowledge. And also for your understanding, we will give you some tests. Okay, so the fourth part, Sasha will tell you some strings. So for the tear strings and breaking strings, for all of these tear strings and breaking strings, we will give you tests for your understanding. Also, we will show some color fastness tests. So the five part is Lisa. So Lisa will tell you some such as package, lab dips, certification, and samples, etc. So this is five part. Okay. For any question, just leave us a message and visit our website zgyl.en.alibaba.com. So now let's begin our first part. Our first part is flame retardant knowledge and FR test. So let's welcome my workmates, Sherry. Sherry will show you. Okay, welcome, okay. Sherry.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Sherry. This is Sherry from Xinxiang Textile. It's my turn to introduce our product for you. Kate said I will show you our main product, also the most popular product of our company. I call it FR fabric. Also, some clients call it fire retardant fabric, flame retardant fabric, or fireproof fabric. No matter how to coat this fabric, it is FR fabric. Like me, I like it coated FR fabric. Okay. Today I will introduce the details. FR fabric means flame retardant fabric. As the name suggests, the fabric has flame retardant function. Our company, Xinxiang Textile, founded in 2002. Until now, our company have 20 years production and export experience. Since our company founded in 2002, we studied and exported this fabric. So we have more than 20 years experience. We are sure we have enough experience and ability to offer satisfactory FR fabric for all clients. So everyone, if you are watching us and you need FR fabric, please do not worry and do not hesitate to contact us. Just tell us your requirement. We can produce it according to your requirement with the best price, good quality, and short production time. Okay, you know, in the world now there are two different kinds of FR fabric. One is after treatment FR fabric. Another one is inherent FR fabric. First, I will introduce the after treatment FR fabric. It means the fabric itself don't have FR function. It after with unique FR finishing or FR treatment to make the fabric with fire retardant function. For example, 100% cotton FR fabric, cotton polyester FR fabric, cotton nylon FR fabric. All these fabrics belong to after treatment FR fabric. The first 100% cotton FR fabric. It is the most popular fabric in the world. In our company, we export millions meters every year. This kind of fabric has good FR performance. It also weighs the best price compared with the other fabrics. Okay. This is our catalog. I will show you some 100% cotton FR fabric with the samples. Okay, the first one is is 330 GSM 100% cotton FR fabric. Okay, here I want to show you. Yes, if you only need FR fabric weight, just tell us. Just tell us the fabric weight. We will know the suitable fabric specification. Like this one, 170 GSM weight, 100% cotton FR fabric. If you said you need 170 GSM plain fabric, we will know the specification is 20 multiply 20 and 60 multiply 60. The 20 means the yarn count in weft is 20, and the yarn count is 20 in weft. The 60 multiply 60, it is the density of this fabric. So yes, if you only need the FR fabric weight, please don't worry. You also can contact us. We will offer the suitable fabric specification. And also this one is the fabric style is plain, and the next one is twill. So no matter plain or twill or satin, all these different styles fabric we can produce for you according to your requirement. Let's check the color. We will find the color is navy, black, royal blue, and red, because this 100% cotton FR fabric used to make workwear for workers. So these colors are more popular in the world. So yes, if you need these colors sample, just tell us. In large probability, we can offer free samples. Of course, if you said, if I need the other colors, can you give me fabric sample? Of course, dear. Just tell us the color you need. I will check our warehouse. If we have correct fabric sample, we are so happy to send to you with free cost. And if we don't have correct fabric sample, it's okay. We will suggest your other colors, same weight, same specification, same function fabric samples for you. And we will make a lab dip to confirm the color. We will have A, B, C or D little sample colors for you to confirm. Later, my colleague Lisa will show you the lab dips in details. I just tell you, no matter what color you need, we can do it for you. Okay, the fabric I said is 100% cotton. Another one is cotton polyester FR fabric. The material is not 100% cotton, it is cotton polyester. For this kind of fabric, in order to promise the FR function, we have to promise the cotton content is higher than polyester content. Like this fabric, 70% cotton and 30% polyester. The cotton percent is higher than polyester, which will make the fabric has better FR performance. This fabric color is navy blue, and the style is satin. The weight is 310 GSM. The third after treatment FR fabric is the cotton nylon FR fabric. In our company, the most popular fabrics are 7 ounce and 9 ounce. These two fabrics we made the UL test. we can offer UL certification for you. So if you're interested, just tell us. We will send you the certificate. Also, if you need sample, we will send to you. This one. This fabric sample is cotton nylon FR fabric. It is 88% cotton and 12% nylon. The color is royal blue. The fabric is the FR function. Aramid 3 fabric, we can offer two different kinds of fabric. One is dope-dyed Aramid 3 fabric. Another one is yarn-dyed Aramid 3A fabric. Dope-dyed Aramid 3A fabric, it has better color fastness, and the yarn-dyed Aramid 3A fabric, it can be dyed any colors according to the original color sample. So for this kind of fabric, you after configuring the color fastness and the color, then you will know which kind of Aramid 3A fabric is suitable for you. For this kind of FR fabric, you needn't worry about FR function. It means no matter dope-dyed Aramid 3A fabric or yarn-dyed Aramid 3A fabric, they all have very, very good FR functions. And this kind of inherent FR fabric, another advantage is the low formaldehyde content. Because this kind of fabric no need to FR finishing, just dye the color, then the fabric will have good FR performance. Because the aramid fiber itself is fireproof. This kind of aramid 3 fabric weight is from 150 GSM to 300 GSM. Ranged in this weight, we all can offer fabric samples. I will show you the first, the latest Aramid A3 fabric we produce, 150 GSM. This one. For this kind of fabric, we needn't set the fabric specification. Just tell us the fabric weight and the style you need. Then we will choose suitable yarn to make the fabric. This one is red color and the fabric weight is 150 GSM. The style is plain. This one is 200 GSM. The style is 12. So like this kind of fabric, we also can produce plain, 12 or satin styles fabric. Next one is modern acrylic cotton material FR fabric. We usually produce 55% modern acrylic and 45% cotton FR fabric. Also have 60% modern acrylic and 40% cotton materials FR fabric. Last one is 65% modern acrylic and 35% cotton FR fabric. The difference is the content of modern acrylic fiber. Because modern acrylic fiber itself has FR function, so the more content of formaldehyde, the more content of modern acrylic fiber, the better FR function for this kind of fabric. The fabric weight is also from 170 GSM to 300 GSM. The last one is aramid lensing FR fabric. The aramid fiber is military.Every. It is fireproof, and the lensing is the FR viscose. It also weighs FR function. So this kind of fabric also needn't do any FR function, FR finishing. Just that the color itself will have fireproof function. These three fabrics are inherent FR fabrics. Okay, we all have fabric samples in the catalog. all these after treatment FR fabric and the inherent FR fabrics, they are all belong to woven fabric. In our company, except the woven fabric, we also have knitted FR fabric. Like this one, model acrylic cotton FR fleece fabric. It means the material is model acrylic cotton and the style is fleece. This one is cotton nylon FR interlock fabric. The style is interlock. So for knitted fabric, it also have different styles: single jersey, interlock, fleece, rib. This one is interlock, and this one is single jersey. The materials including 100% cotton, cotton nylon, cotton polyester, and aramid 3A model acrylic cotton. Also have after treatment FR knitted fabric, and also have inherent FR knitted fabric. We have 2 to many different FR fabrics. So no matter what you need, just tell us. I think we can offer suitable fabrics. The woven fabric width is 150 centimeters. For knitted FR fabrics, according to the fabric's different styles, the width is different too. Same as the woven fabric, the knitted FR fabric also can dye the color according to your requirements. The after treatment FR knitted fabric also have formaldehyde content, so it better did not touch the skin directly. But the model acrylic cotton FR knitted fabric or aramid 3A FR fabric, they belong to inherent FR fabric. It is a best choice if you need to touch the skin directly. Only for this catalog, we have nearly 50 different kinds of fabrics. So you will know how many different FR fabrics we have. So yes, if you, for example, okay. First, let's do a test to show you the FR performance. I will show you several different materials FR fabric. Let's welcome to Yu. She will help us. She will do a test to show us the different fabrics FR function. We all know for the FR fabric, we have to pay attention to 3 aspects: after flame time, after glow time, and challenge. According to the requirement of European standard EN 11611 and EN 11612, the challenge is less than 150 centimeters, and the EN, according to American standard FDA 112, it needs the challenge is less than 10 centimeters. The first fabric we test is heavyweight 100% FR fabric. The style is satin, the color is gray, and the weight is about 400 GSM. It is a heavyweight FR fabric sample. Okay. In order to we usually take 10 centimeters width and 20 centimeters length fabric sample to do the test. For 1 meter fabric, we usually choose 5 pieces fabrics to test the result. Because of time limit, I only choose 1 piece fabric to test the sample. Now press the button and wait 12 seconds. here you can record the time. Okay. Now we will find when we stop the fire, no after flame time and no after glow time. The fire of the fabric is self-distinguished soon. Okay, now we will use the hammer to measure the challenge. A different weight fabric use different weight of hammer. This one is heavyweight FR fabric. The challenge is 6.5. It's 6.5 centimeters. According to the requirement, the standard requirement, it can pass FTA to 112. Okay, the next, I will show you a lighter one. This one, the fabric weight is 200 GSM. Repeat the process. Clamp the sample. This one we will also only choose one piece sample. We usually, in order to measure the FR function, we usually choose 5 pieces samples from different places. Okay. It also shows us after flame time and after glow time. It shows no after glow time and after flame time. In fact, the after flame time and after glow time is if less than 2 seconds. It means the FR fabric is qualified. Okay. This fabric is lightweight, so we will use another different weight of hammer. Let's measure the length. This one, the challenge is 7.5. Okay, the third one is inherent FR fabric. Okay, later I will introduce the challenge in details. The third one is aramid 3A fabric. The weight is 150 GSM. It is the lightest aramid 3A fabric. Please wait 12 seconds and then check the test result. This one is the lightest aramid 3A fabric. Later I will show you the the lightweight and okay, that's good. Okay, let's measure the length. This one, the challenge is 5 centimeters. These 3 fabrics are FR fabric produced by us. Later, I will show you the common 100% common fabric without FR finishing. In order to protect our machine, this one is a vertical flame retardant machine. It is a news. In order to protect it, I will test this common one with lighter. We will find when we remove the fire, the fire can't stop. I'm not a professional. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I will show you the difference. This one is lightweight 100% cotton FR fabric, and this one is heavyweight FR fabric. And we also measured the challenge. This one has a little longer challenge, and this one has a shorter challenge. It shows us the weight affects the FR function. The heavier weight FR fabric has better FR performance, but they all can reach the requirement of NFPA 2112 standard and EN 11611, EN 11612 standard. So if you why I show you the difference of the different weight FR functions, the FR fabric's FR function. I just want to show you the lighter FR fabric can pass the standard requirement. The heavier weight FR fabric also can pass the standard. If you need a certificate, but we don't have correct weight FR test certificate, you also need to worry about a product's FR fabric. The lighter FR fabric can pass the standard. I believe the other weight FR fabric also can pass the standard requirement. So if you have orders, you also can place order to us. And after the bulk goods production, we can make the test report from third-party test center. This one is the lightest weight aramid 3A fabric. This one is the lightest weight. We also have 180 GSM, 200 GSM, and 300 GSM. The lightest one have very good FR function. The other heavier weight aramid 3A fabric also has very good FR function. Okay, dears. Now, you help us do an experiment to show us, promise the FR fabric produced by Xinxiang Yulong Textile. And the test result showed us the FR fabric produced by us has very good FR function. So if you are watching us, or if you need FR fabric, just contact us. First, we will offer price and free sample according to your requirement. If price suitable and sample quality is good, then you can place order to us. We will offer the best quality fabric in very short production time. Okay, because they are all the FR fabric I will introduce today. Later my colleague Esther will show you our FR fabric in warehouse. They are ready FR fabrics. So if you're interested, just tell us. That fabric also have very good FR fabric. No, so if you need this kind of fabric, you need to wait. Just tell us. We can deliver the goods at the first time. Okay, now let's welcome Esther.
Hello everyone, it's Esther from Xinxiang Yulong Textile Company. This is our website of our company. Welcome view our product from this website. And now I will introduce you our wholesale product. It's our fabric. It's cotton fire retardant fabric. Look at this color. Its color is white. White color is different from other colors because to make this color, we need to select high quality cotton and fabric to make this color. and after many various and complex weaving process, it's still stainless and spotless. So it's very hard to make a wet fabric. In addition, our company can not only make white color for the fabric, we can also make different color, like even the high visible color. What's more, if you want different color, we have the Pantone Card. You can choose your required color from this book, and you just need to tell me the number of your required color. We also accepted that you can send your sample of fabric. Look at this fabric. Its material is cotton. It's combed cotton. It's very soft and suitable to touch. And this fabric take the ring spinning process. It's different. It's superior than other fabric. As we all know, cotton fabric is very breathable for us to wear. After we doing sports or sweating, we won't feel hot and sweaty. Look at this fabric. Our products are famous for its fire retardant function. Our product can pass NFPA 2112 standard and European standard EN 11612 and EN 11611, and even the GB standard. Look at this paper in my hand. These papers are all the test results for our fabric. All our fabric can pass the standard, mentioned standard. Our fabric, all the standard mentioned above have strict requirements for the fabric, such as the after flow time and after flame time. All of them are not allowed to over 2 seconds, and the char length is less than 150 millimeters. Now let's welcome our laboratory technicians Yo-Yo to test this fabric for you. Welcome, Yo-Yo. And now we can see our technicians is doing this test. All our tests can pass this test. We can witness the process and the result. First, let's see the fire. We will wait it's sustainable, and then we can test for the fabric. The test is very fast, and we can get the result now. Look at this result. The after glow time and the after flame time is less. It's not over 2 seconds, and length is less than 150 millimeters. This is our website of our company, and all the test results you can search on our website. Not only this fabric can pass the test, all of our products can pass the UN standard and the American standard. This. Our fabric is very high quality. Its shrinkage is about 3%. It means our fabric after washing it will not out of its shape. It's very sustainable. And our fabric can after 50 times washing, I can promise our fabric can still have the function of fire retardant. Our fabric is very healthy. Generally, the fire retardant fabric is the formaldehyde content of our fire retardant fabric generally is 300 ppm, but this fabric is very low. Its formaldehyde content is just 56 ppm. It's very healthy for children and adults and the human body. And if you want ask how long can I get this such a high quality fabric, I can tell you can get this now, because this fabric we have a huge volume stock, and you can purchase it now without waiting. And if you order it now, we will send it very, very fast. This is our website of our company, and you can consult this fabric from this website to consult this fabric. And you just mentioned that you are from this broadcast room, and he will give you the biggest discount. And now my introduce is over. Let us welcome my colleague Anis. He will introduce you the anti-oil and water fabric. Let's welcome him.
Okay, thank you, Esther. Hello, everyone. This is Anis from Yulong Textile. This is Anis from Yulong Textile, and I'm so glad here to introduce about our another very important function of the functional fabric and safety workwear, which is water and oil repellency. And we all know that water and oil repellency is another very important function for the workwear industry, such as it has a lot of application of such as some like laboratory and some oil gas industry, and the fabric will be water and oil repellent, and it will be very easy to be cleaned, and even for some chemical liquid such as alkali and acid, some liquid, we can also be the acid and alkali repellent. And I am very honored to introduce our colleague of the technical department, Yo-Yo, and she will show us how the water repellency we usually test. Come, please. So today we prepare two kinds of fabric. This one is waterproof, 这是防水。This one is waterproof, the fabric. Okay, close to the camera. 离近一点。This is the composition will be 100% cotton. And for you all know that we can do all the water and oil repellent on any composition of the fabric, such as 100% cotton, CVC, or TC. And just tell us what kind of the composition you need. We can satisfy your requirement. OK. 简单啊，先做这种不防水的。不防水。好。OK. And here I do take another fabric to do the comparison. This is another kind of 100% cotton fabric, which is not water oil repellent. And I will show you what kind of the grade we classify the water oil repellency. Okay. So first we cut one piece of the fabric and fill it in the special tool, and you can see the fabric. The surface of the fabric is now sealed. Okay, and we shall drop 250 ml water. The volume should be specified. Okay, and we shall pour it slowly and equally. And you can see the fabric is a normal fabric, which has no water repellency. You can see the water will be observed, will be in infiltration when the water come across the fabric, the surface of the fabric. And here we usually use the standard of like ISO 4920. This is the water repellency standard, and the method is called spray method. And you can see we spray the water on the surface of the fabric. Okay, please camera. We can see that if the normal fabric without any water repellency, the fabric will be infiltration, will be wet, and you can see on the back side it's wet as well. And this is a normal fabric, and we shall show our fabric, which water oil repellent fabric. What's the performance of the fabric? Okay, here we are, the water oil repellent fabric here. And just as before, we cut one piece and make it sealed on the funnel. The water come still the same, 250 ml. Okay, we pour the water, and the water spray on the surface of the fabric. You can see how magic our fabric is, that the water cannot be infiltration or cannot get the cannot be wet. And we all know that, just like I told you before, that we can do water oil repellency on different composition of the fabric, no matter the natural material or human-made material. And we usually put some like chemical agent on the fabric to make it waterproof. Okay, we knock the fabric when the water all comes from, and we can see there's no drop, not so big drop, and we shall classify the fabric according to our technical person. And usually there are 5 grades of the water repellency. 0 grade is like the fabric before, the normal fabric, and there will be infiltration on the surface or backside. And the grade 2 will be only half of the surface will be wet. Only half of the surface will be wet. And and for the grade 3, and there will be some like discrete small area wet. And for the grade 4, I think our fabric can meet grade 4 and even higher for grade 5. Grade 4 is that no infiltration on the surface of the fabric or backside. This is very important. On the backside, there will be no wetting area. And this is grade 4, just like some little drop. You can see the little drop on the surface of the fabric. And this is grade 4. And when grade 5, there will be no water drop left on the surface of the fabric. And also there will be no infiltration on the backside. This is grade 5, which is according to the standards, which is best water repellency. And okay, so now that's all for the water repellency. We have shown you how we test, how we pour or spray the water on the fabric, and how we classify the grade of the water repellency. Okay, next I will show you the oil repellency. Okay, where's my here? Today I just cut a little piece of the fabric, and we just same as I showed you before. It's 100 cotton, just normal fabric, just dyed fabric without any function, and that's how we test the oil repellency. We also do the comparison test. First, the gray color will be the same composition, but it's water and oil repellent fabric. And the khaki one is normal fabric without any function, and we will show you how we test. First, we use some exclusive oil, which is special for the test. We shall test from usually we shall test from like the oil should also be like there are also 6 grade of the oil test liquid. And first, usually we started from zero grade, and we shall drop some little oil on the fabric, and we wait for 3 minutes, and we can see we will judge how the drop change on the surface of the fabric. You can see for the normal fabric, camera please. You can see the normal fabric when we drop the oil. Okay, it will be winking and infiltration immediately. And when we drop the oil on the oil repellent fabric, the drop will remain. There will be no more infiltration or any other winking. This is the special oil for the test. So, for example, our test started from the grade 0 oil, and we shall test one by one, even just till when the drop winking or little infiltration on the fabric, and we will stop. That's the grade of the fabric. Okay, next one we shall. For you all can see that this kind of fabric because we all know our production, and we use the oil which is level 5, grade 5, and now we shall upgrade of the oil test. It's grade 6, the oil. Okay. Okay, hold on please. So when we drop the oil on the fabric, and we can see there will be a little different, right? Different from the former test, the former drop. You can see can you please see on the camera here? There will be a little winking on the drop, and still the same. The normal fabric will be infiltration. There will be infiltration immediately, without any dot. And this one, when we use the oil which is level of 6, grade 6, and you can see there will be a little winking on the fabric, which means the oil repellency will be grade 5. Okay, we will show you the back side of the fabric. Okay, the back side of the fabric, everyone, you can see from the back side of the fabric will be infiltration. This is the normal fabric. Okay, and here we are. This is the oil repellent fabric. You can see from the back side there is no infiltration on the back side, which is our oil repellency is very perfect. So that's all I want to show you today about the water and oil repellent. And thank you, Yu. Thank you for your help. So everyone, back to our topic as the beginning. So if you have any requirement of the water, oil repellent fabric or workwear, please contact with us. Thank you. Please contact with us on Alibaba, and this is our web, and contact with us. Find us immediately if you have this kind of requirement, and we shall get your requirement, and our technical colleague will help you with all the questions you want to know, and we'll give you some like professional support. And we have a lot of the whole technical team will show you or let you understand all the whole standard and what's the task, how to proceed. And this is our water and oil repellent. Please find us and contact with us from this web, and we will show you. And that's all I want to show you today. And thank you for everyone. And now I will be honored to introduce our colleague Sasha. She will introduce some like the color fastness or aberration of the fabric, and such as some other physical data. Okay, welcome, Sasha.
Thank you, Ivan.
Okay.
Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мою трансляцию платформы. Только что мои коллеги, они показали и представили наши машины на огнестойкости и машин для НМВО функция. Мы хорошо знаем все разные страны стандарт, например, и ГОСТ, Евро и США. Поэтому сейчас я хочу вам показать, как мы делаем это разливная нагрузка. Давайте представим нашего инспектора Юю. Помочь показать вам. Пойдем сюда. Это машина на нагрузка для ткани. Разные ткани, у нее есть свои преимущества. Сначала хочу вам показать такой хлопок, 100% хлопок ткани. Это ткань, это по основе, это баутка. Давайте. Разный состав материала, разные плотности, еще характеристика. Они все могут влиять, это нагрузка. Сначала мы делаем это разрывная нагрузка. Сейчас. Сначала мы делаем хлопок ткани. Это ткани делали отделка, пропитка огнестойкости. И у него есть плотность 450 грамм. И характеристика из 7/7. Хорошо готовая машина. Сейчас мы делаем. Вот. Сюда добавить. Сейчас включать. У нас смотри сюда. Видели, может, там. Вот. Это нагрузка. Это время. Мгм. Хорошо. По основе сейчас... Вот. Сейчас показать цифры. Сейчас. Смотрите, это логарифмная нагрузка 2028 ньютон. Очень хорошая нагрузка. Вот сюда. Это по основе. Сейчас вам показать по утка, ну, как это эффектив. Это утка. Сейчас сюда положить. Ну, все знаете, это разные страны, разные стандарты. Ну, эта машина может для всем страны. Вот. Скоро цифры быстро меняются. Хорошо. Это утка. Успеем. Утка чуть-чуть меньше. Это 90-56 ньютон. Ну, конечно, если вы хотите делать повыше, это нагрузка, можно добавить другой волокна. Сейчас вам показать другой. И это ткань из полиэстер с хлопок. Это по основе. Это утка. Сначала основа. Эта ткань прочности только есть 265. У него есть 75% полиэстер и 25% хлопок. И все знаете, полиэстер это химическое волокна. У него нагрузка хорошая, чем хлопок. Сейчас вам показать. Только что хлопок ткани прочности 450, а это только 265. Очень тонкий. Вот. Потом вы можете сравнительный. Конечно, еще можно добавить другой волокна, например, нейлон, еще спанборд, еще шерсть, еще это арамид, вискоза, все, что вы хотите, мы все можно делать. Вот. Хорошо. Если добавить это нейлон, нагрузка тоже очень хорошая, больше, чем хлопок. И нейлон у него есть очень хороший износостойкость. Потом хочу вам показать эту машину для износостойкости. Успеем, Неуля. Сейчас вернусь и показать это цифры. Вот. Смотрите, у него только прочности 265 грамм, а у него по основе это нагрузка 113 074 тонны. Ньютоны, очень хороший. И показать вам утка. Еще есть и другой, например, на моей руке еще другой материал состав. Это арамид. Арамид ткани мы всегда делаем такой состав 93% медоарамида и 5% параарамида, еще 2% антистатическая. Если химическая арамида и химическая волокна, если химическая волокна ткани, всегда добавить функция антистатическая. Вот. Это цвет тоже плотность 265, только что мне показали на основе. Утка сколько какой эффективный. Сейчас показать вам. Вот, очень хороший. 15 600 ньютон. Вот. И, конечно, если арамида тоже можно, тоже очень хорошая нагрузка. Мы можем один показать и все. Один можно показать и все. Скоро поручить без вреда. Быстро очень. Вот, быстро. Ого. Все химическая волокна нагрузка очень хорошая, чем пробок. Ой, поручить. Скоро поручить. Вот. Успеем мы уже. Вот. По основе это 230, а этот ткань арамид плотности просто есть 150 грамм, очень тонкий, поэтому все, это различная нагрузка, мы здесь показать, потом хочу вам еще представить машину для раздирающая нагрузка. Сейчас вам показать, хочу вам показать наши арамид ткани. Это основе. Это арамид из 180 плотности, чуть-чуть толстый, чем это 150. Если хороший, знаете, это красный, то знаете, арамид это самый хороший огнестойкий. Хорошо.
见效太大，从这边过来。把那个气球切给拿来。
Если балутка это 53 ньютон. Сейчас вам показать хробок. Хробок это плотность 450. Давайте. На канвас. Вот. Это 100% хробок, как не столько ткань. Эта машина, если это раздирающая нагрузка больше 64 ньютоны, уже цифры не можем поручить. Поэтому очень хорошая раздирающая нагрузка. Если так, хорошо, спасибо, Юлю. Еще вам показать Это для цветостойкости. Мокрый, еще сухая цвет зелени. Внутри там у нас есть 5 видов тканей. Хлопок, полиэстер, нейлон, еще титаны, еще шерсти. Это тоже для цветостойкости инспективных. И потом хочу вам показать это. Сейчас. Смотрите, это машина. Это машина для износостойкости. Всегда клиент требует этот ткани надо делать 50 тысяч цикл. И хлопок с нейлоном, у него тоже есть хороший стойкость. Смотрите, вот так делается. Все, что вы хотите, мы все можно делать еще антистатическое, еще на МВО, еще стойкости, и цвет стойкости и так далее. Ну, хорошо. Все. Но здесь вам показать все, если вы хотите нам анализировать ваши ткани, можно отправить к нам образец, и мы можем помогать вам бесстранно анализировать этот ткань. Ну что, потом моя коллега Лиса, она вам продолжает представить это наша лаборатория. Давай, Лиса.
Hello everyone.
Спасибо,
Nice to
Юля.
meet you. Yeah, thank you, Yu. Thank you. Hi everyone. Nice to meet you. This is Lisa from Xinxiang Textile. Yeah, very nice to be here and introduce about our company. Xinxiang Textile mainly produce the functional fabric and garments. Today our topic is about functional fabric such as the flame retardant, anti-static, high visibility, water oil repellent, anti-mosquito, something like this, and also the multi-functional fabric. And just now, my colleagues already introduced all kinds of functional fabric and show the testing. So I think all of you already know more about our fabric. And except all of this, and I want to show you that some of our certifications. And as we all know, if we want to export our products to the abroad, to other countries, we need to meet many international standards, such as the EN standard to Europe countries, and also NFPA standards to USA countries. And firstly, I will show you our OTEX standards. OTEX 100. This is about the eco-friendly standards. If you have this certification, that means your product is eco-friendly and environmental. And this is the basic certification if you want to export your products to Europe and to other countries. And also we have the ISO 9001 certifications. This is about our factory. And most important, this is UL certification. UL certification is the key to USA market. If you want to export your products to USA market, firstly, you need to get this UL certifications. Of course, UL certification is very expensive, and we need to test and to get this certification every year. But we still want to do this because this is the proof of our fabric and our garments. And except all these certifications, we also have all kinds of test reports for different fabric, such as for the flame retardant fabric, we have the EN standard, EN 1161, EN 1162, and also NFPA 2112. All these test reports. If you want to see this test report, you can leave message to us or send a message on Alibaba and send an inquiry on Alibaba, and we can
reply you the test report. Okay, and except this report and certifications, some people will ask, how did you pack your fabric? I mean the package. For the fabric, we usually packed by rows, inner with the polybag, clear polybag, and the outer with the woven bags. And some clients also ask two layers clear polybag. That's also okay, no problem. We can customize the package per your request. And usually each row is about 50 meters to 100 meters. That's based on the different GSM, I mean the fabric GSM. If the fabric is light, maybe each row the meters will be much. But if your fabric is weight, and each row will be less meters. That's just based on your request. And some clients will ask each row, the weight, the gross weight need to be less than 35 kilograms. We can also do that. Okay, that's the package. And as we all know, do the textile products, such as especially for the fabric, the sample is very important, because the clients before placing the order, the clients need to see the sample firstly, need to check the quality, check the color, and check many things that they want to know. That's also no need to worry. If you want to see the sample, just tell us how many meters or how big you want, and we can offer it for you. If you just want to see A4 size firstly, it's also okay. If you want to have the meter sample, 1 meter, 2 meter, or many meters, you want this sample to make one garment sample, it's also okay. And we have many different kinds of samples in our stock, many different kinds. And just now, my colleague already introduced our catalogs. Our catalog is 2 sets, 2 pieces, and there are almost 70 different kinds of pieces fabric sample. And for the fabric, and we also know the color is very important, and how we confirm color with clients. And as you can see, this is our lab dip cards, and if you have your own color request, no matter it is Pantone color number or it is color samples, and you can send it to me or just tell us the Pantone color, and we will make the color lab dips, and we will make ABCD or ABC small color lab dip here. We paste it here and send it to you. You just tell us you confirm A, B, or C is okay. Then we can dye the bulk per your confirmation. So it's very easy, right? Okay, and for our fabric, usually the MOQ is 1,000 meters, and for the aramid one, we say inherently FR fabric, usually 500 meters is also okay. So if some clients, maybe the order quantity is maybe less than 500 meters, it's also okay. Just tell us your request, and we can check our stock and advise you the more closely fabric for you. So no matter how many meters you need it, just tell us, and we will give you the we will give you the best choice. Okay, so for no matter for most of the clients that they will pay more attention for the first price, quality, and also the delivery time, right? And we are fabric factory. We Xinxiang Yulong Textile are the fabric factory, so we can make sure the delivery time, give you the fast delivery time, and also give you the best price. And also quality, just now I already show you our certifications and test report. So price, quality, and delivery time, all these can be assured. So what are you, no need to worry others. And what are you waiting for?
just come and send us inquiry or place order to us, or if you ask sample from us, any sample you want, and just leave message to us. And you can find us, you can find our Xinxiang Yulong Textile in this website on Alibaba. Just you can just search this website or just search Xinxiang Yulong Textile. Then you can find us and leave message to us, and we can talk more and offer you more details about our fabric or about our garments. Okay, thank you so much for all your watching, and thank you so much for interesting to our products. Just leave message to us and send email. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.